Jet aviation came to regional air routes in the second half of the 60s. Yak-40 became the first in the world jet passenger aircraft for such routes. This aircraft was very beautiful, like most of Alexander Yakovlev's machines, and its capabilities were outstanding. The extent of durability created by the aircraft designers enables it to take off and land on sand fields. It needs only 400 meters to take off. 3 engines gave it such power-to-weight ratio that it could well be used at high mountain aerodromes and in high temperatures conditions. And if you turn 2 out of 3 engines off, the aircraft can fly without losing altitude on just 1 engine. The Soviet Union made unprecedented steps to market Yak-40 worldwide. This aircraft made a tour around the world through all 5 continents. The efforts were not in vain. Over 100 Yak-40 were exported to almost 20 countries of the world. However, the new generation of passenger aircraft included not only wide-body airliners. Together with Il-86, Yak-42 was often seen in the sky. The story of this close-range aircraft started in the first half of the 70s. Its layout repeated the successful Yak-40 scheme. But with the bigger dimensions, the new aircraft had 3 engines in the rear and a straight wing. In the course of development, the wing was slightly swept. The aircraft became operational in 1980. However, 2 years later, flights were suspended due to a heavy accident. They were resumed within several years after all technical problems were resolved. Well,